Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be explaining about off-delay timer operation using Allen Bradley PLC programming. So the syntax image, what you are seeing here, it is of timer off-delay programming. So here the timer base and the timer base remains this constant here and the preset value. The only difference here it is in the previous case we have seen with T on, here it is T off. So here what exactly you mean by the T off? So here the device gets off after some particular period of time. So the time what you are initializing in the preset is the time what the device gets turned off. So it is like how, so if you have initialized preset value as 10, the device will be running initially, and after 10 seconds when you switch off the device, after 10 seconds it will go to the zero state. That is what is the operation of the T off operation. So you can able to see the diagram here. You have an output device connected at this particular part. So you have the input. As soon as the switch gets started, so your timer will be in the zero state only. So both enable bit and the done bits get energized here. So once the done bit is energized, automatically the output device is on because you have connected your done bit to the output device. So once you turn off the switch, so it will ensure that the enable bit will go off and the accumulator value starts counting from 0 to 180. So it starts counting from 0 to 180. Once this particular task is completed, after that particular period of time, the output device goes in the off state. So we'll directly go to the programming part. So in this, once again we need to check with whether the emulator is running on the back end of the system. So the emulator is running. So in the second case we need to see with, so already some file is present already. In the previous case we have done with the T on. So we need to remove this file. So we have an option called as halt. Press this particular halt button and you have an option to close this particular. So once you do this kind of operation, that older file will be removed. So this is what we need to do. Just minimize here and we'll directly go with the ladder programming. So we need to same procedure, but only the changes here it is with respect to we need to take it as timer off, that is T off operation. So T off is the instruction. So the address will be the same, T4:0. So this is timer off. In the previous case we have done with timer on. Now it is timer off. So time base I'll keep it as 1 and the accumulator value I'll keep it as 10. So we require in the second line we require input for done bit operation. So it is the T4:0/DN. So this is what, this is your done bit of operation. So you require one output, you can keep it as output 0/0. This will be your lamp. So and you need to give it, specify the input I0:0. This is your start switch. You can give it at start and stop. Since we are using both the switch for start and stop, you can give it at start and stop switch. So you have the program ready. Now you can directly you can save this particular program as T off, save. Now the program has been saved. Now download the program, download your program. So it is asking you to download. So you don't have any errors, verified as completed and no errors have been found. You can see in the bottom of the left hand side of the corner. So you can see that no errors have been found and your ladder is running. When the ladder is running, you can ensure that no errors have been found and the program also is loaded on the emulator. In the next stage, you need to run your program. Go to remote program and say run. So here you can see here, if I press the start button, automatically your lamp will glow. So it is showing that enable bit is also energized and done bit is also energized and the output device is energized. This is what will happen in terms of your timer off operation. So when you stop your switch, once again when you stop this particular switch, you have stopped the switch. So now the accumulator value is counting from 0 to 10. Once the accumulator value reaches 10, then the output device is off. You can able to see. We'll repeat the operation. We'll press the start button. We'll press the toggle switch. Our lamp is getting turned on. So when we stop the switch, the lamp will go off after the preset value. Once the accumulator value and the preset value becomes equal, the done bits goes off. During that particular period of time, the lamp goes off. This is the operation of timer. Like especially the timer on is used for turning off on the device after some particular period of time. Timer off is used for turning off the device after the switch is de-energized. So if you have any doubts related to the timer on and timer off, you can please comment me in the comment box.